will guide you through how to convert a PDF file as a URL link. So as you can see, this is my PDF file and I will make it a URL. To do this, just take a browser and search here, Go File. Search it and you will see this website. Click on it, Go File. Now just click on drag and drop and select your PDF file. So this is my PDF file. I will click it and we will click it open. And now it is uploaded successfully. We have a QR code. Anyone can scan it and go to that PDF. And we have this link. Okay, just copy this link and paste here on any browser. You will come to your PDF as you can see, and you can also download your PDF file. Just click here and you can download it. Okay,